Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online with transcription jobs and the key steps you should follow in order for you to become a successful transcriber. So please watch the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share so that we can grow our channel. And by now, you should know that transcription jobs are a great way to make money online. And due to the current state of the world, working from home has become very popular. People are actually required to have side hustles for them to generate passive income due to the fact that most people lost their 9 to 5 jobs. And this is why I recommend transcription jobs. This is because you can do it from anywhere you are, and working hours depend on you. You can even decide to work in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, whichever you prefer. And for you to get started with transcribing, you actually need to have the basic, which is good, reliable internet connection. Once you've checked that you have that good, reliable internet connection, and I'm strong on that reliable internet connection, the next step is for you to get a good transcribing company or a good transcription site. And today, this is where quicktate comes in. Quicktate is a work from home transcription company that hires home workers to transcribe recordings of different things like voice messages, memos, letters, legal files, recording of phone calls, conference calls, etc. And personally, what I like about quicktate is that it is very beginner friendly. Even if you check on their pricing, I will talk about that later. It's very, 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 very pocket friendly. And also, quicktate does not require any professional transcription experience to apply. They just want people who can accurately transcribe audio files with good English and punctuation. So when we take a look at their site and from their homepage, the first thing you'll notice is these companies here who happen to be their valued customers. And for me, this is a green flag because not many companies would share their customers with their employees. If you can get the likes of Coca-Cola, Wells Fargo, Ford, then I don't see any reasons not to apply with this company because work will always be there. And the goal is to work for a company that has many clients. So by now, if you're interested in this site and maybe you're not sure if this site is global, yes, this site accepts transcribers from all over the world. And you can confirm that by clicking here on pricing. You'll be able to see under general transcribers in brackets global typist and the rates they offer. Then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the rates for US citizens. For beginners, I'd highly recommend that you take the pay as you go or the economy. For those who want to become a bit more specific, like maybe in the medical field, you can actually click under medical transcription to see the rates, though I'm not sure if it's both for people in the US or maybe outside the US. After choosing which package you'd like, then click on the sign up and a page like this will appear showing you the requirements. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you need to have good, accurate spelling and punctuation. Then also you should not have any convictions of a felony or misdemeanor on your record. I'm not sure if I pronounced that word properly, but just correct me down in the comment section below. Do not proceed if you have ever been convicted. And if you think that you'll just pass this, don't forget that this site has a background check, and this will set you back $20 for the background check. So for you to apply to this site, you actually need to fill out a form on their website with general information about yourself. You'll just have to give them your username and how you heard about them. Like in this case, you can actually say you heard about them through Mr. Stingy's YouTube channel. Then from there, you just select your country, and these are the list of all countries that quicktate accepts. Then from there, you will have to list a few references who cannot be people related to you. And in this case, this site does not require any resume. They do not want to know about your past typing experience. There's also a quiz that you must take to help them determine whether or not you should receive the assignments. If they approve your account, they will start sending you audio to transcribe. It's just that simple. And my favorite part about this site is the payment method. And it's always about the money. And what I like about this site is that you get paid directly to your PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you create one so that you start earning from quicktate. And it also makes it easier even when you want to purchase your typing packages. But you can also use credit cards if that is what you prefer. Then this site actually pays you on a weekly basis, and that is on Monday to be specific. But let's say if that Monday is a holiday, then your payment will be postponed and taken to the next day, and that next day will be actually on Tuesday. So this site allows people who can access PayPal to get their money directly. So my final thoughts on this site is that being a transcriber can be a rewarding work from home job and is ideal for those who seek highly flexible schedule. One of the advantages of working with this site is that you are an independent contractor, so you can choose to work when you want to work and how often you work, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you're looking to get into transcription, I think it will be a great place for you to get your feet wet. Sorry. And another bonus here is that you don't need a special transcription training or experience to get started. People enjoy the work at quicktate for the most part, and payment is on time. So if I recommend this site? Yes. Anyway, guys, that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any inquiries, please reach out on my social media platform, that is Facebook and Instagram at Mr. Stingy. Thank you and do have a blessed time. Thank you.